Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Sit tall and get ready to move. Stretch your body up high. Open wide like a star. Fold forward and relax. Lift halfway and stay long. Push back and stretch. Lift one leg up. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Step forward and stay steady. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Be strong like a warrior. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Open wide and feel powerful. Sit back like a chair. Twist your body softly. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Balance like a tree. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Fold down with wide legs. Hold your body strong. Stretch up and smile. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.